As I sit here sipping on my carrot smoothie, I can't help but wonder what makes it so darn delicious. Is it the sweet and savory taste of the carrots? Or maybe it's the refreshing coldness that cools me down on a hot summer day? I may never know for sure, but one thing is certain, this smoothie is the perfect way to get in those daily veggies. Now, some of you may be thinking, carrots in a smoothie? That sounds gross. But hear me out, my friends. Carrots are actually the perfect addition to any smoothie. They add a natural sweetness without all the added sugar, plus they're loaded with vitamins and minerals like beta-carotene, vitamin K, and potassium. So, what's the secret to a delicious carrot smoothie? Well, let me share a few tips that have worked wonders for me. Use fresh carrots. This may seem obvious, but using fresh, crisp carrots will give your smoothie a much better flavor than canned or frozen ones. Add some spice. Adding a pinch of cinnamon or ginger can really enhance the flavor of your smoothie and make it feel more like a treat. Don't forget the liquid. While carrots do contain some water, you'll still need to add some liquid to get the right consistency. Coconut water, almond milk, or even just plain old H2O will do the trick. Get creative. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ingredients in your carrot smoothie. Try adding some frozen berries, a scoop of protein powder, or even a handful of spinach for an extra boost of nutrients. Now, I know what you're thinking, this all sounds great, but does it actually taste good? Well, let me tell you, it does. In fact, I asked a few of my friends to try out my carrot smoothie recipe, and they were all pleasantly surprised at how delicious it was. So, what are you waiting for? Grab some fresh carrots, your favorite liquid, and get blending. Trust me, once you try a carrot smoothie, you'll never go back to plain old orange juice again. If you made it here, thanks for listening. Your English is getting better. Keep up the good work. Like and subscribe to get more and even better stories.